नहीं पाया तुम्हारा करुणा सारा। हरे कृष्णा।
Birth anniversary of Holiness or His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. So I offer my humble obeisance and greetings to all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis assembled here.
He has made us 24 into 7 busy if he wants to be. All the festivals we have known.
Coming to this ISKCON, I was like eat, drink and merry. It was my life. And I would say that
speak anything about Srila Prabhupada, but I would just like to say that what Srila Prabhupada has said, just to chant our 16 rounds.
जन्माष्टमी जितना पवित्र है, इस प्रकार गुरु भी जो प्रभुपाद का भी एप्रिलियन डे इतना पवित्र है। जैसे सूर्य
which are really very what to say, impressive and very easy to understand. I have read many of his.
हरे कृष्ण। Srila Prabhupada ki jai. In the scriptures it has been explained about the greatness of the Guru, that Guru is so powerful that
my respectful obeisances to Achyuta Gopal for giving me a chance to say some words about our dear Srila Prabhupada on his appearance.
he noted down because he surrendered to the pure devotee of Krishna. Because from the when he was small, when he was a youngster only, he was a
I thought I will list out only 3 of these qualities and
In fact, more important than Janmashtami is Srila Prabhupada's appearance day, because it is by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada that we have all been.
My humble obeisances at your lotus feet. First of all, I would like to thank you, Srila Prabhupada. You've been very kind and merciful to me and all of us.
Prabhupada is such a personality that even if you go on speaking, you will have to take birth again. It will not be possible to glorify him.
अब मेरी भूल होगी इसलिए क्योंकि मैं आई थी गोवा में, तो क्योंकि यहाँ पर तो कोई भक्त मुझे नहीं मिला, तो मैं बोला यहाँ तो नहीं रहेगी, यहाँ तो मेरे ये प्रभुपाद जी का मंदिर भी नहीं है.
Prabhupada is that reading his books. I haven't read many books, now only 2, but the both books which I have read, I have got some of.
सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश धारणे. प्रभुपाद के चरणों में मेरा दंडवत प्रणाम.
Jesus Christ has taught and what we are teaching, there is no difference.
समर्पयामि। जहाँ पे है
जय प्रभुपाद की
हरि प्रिय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश धारिणे केश पुष्पाणि ISKCON founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada ki, Ananti Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki.
Person, there should be the best bakers who make the cake. So I requested Harsh Tata Mataji and Prabhavati Mataji and Pratish to make this cake. So they have made a super excellent cake. I think this cake, in 5 minutes I'll explain you all this cake. So I think this cake has the entire philosophy of Krishna consciousness in it, in one cake. So you can see here, Prabhupada is sitting in front of this tree. Pratish, this is Pumpkins and Square Park. Prabhupada is sitting in front of the tree. This is where our ISKCON started. So Prabhupada is sitting there with harmonium, kartal, mridang. So this is the start of ISKCON, Prabhupada's faith in the holy names. And this is the essence of the entire philosophy. Balyanku was explaining how in Srila Prabhupada's books at every place Prabhupada gives this essence. Harir Nama, Harir Nama, Harir Nama Kevalam. Kalo Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gatateva. That is Srila Prabhupada sitting in this. So the ISKCON started with Kirtan, Prabhupada's faith in Kirtan, and ISKCON continues to grow by the strength of our faith in this Kirtan movement. You can see Srila Prabhupada's books there, Nectar of Devotion, Science of Self-Realization, Easy Journey to Other Planets, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Krishna book, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Teachings of Lord Chaitanya, Nectar of Instruction. So I think Prabhupada's books are Prabhupada's greatest contribution to the world. And then Jaladuta ship. So we should be very grateful to this ship. This is the ship in which Prabhupada sailed and actually made the entire difference. ISKCON is also like that ship. He's written the ship. Prabhupada will sail us through this material. Also, this planetarium is there, Vedic planetarium. So this was Prabhupada's dream way back in the 1970s. Prabhupada dreamt of it. And this is just not a dream now, it's actually become a reality. In 2 years, 1 or 2 years, it's going to be inaugurated also. So here you can see Prabhupada's picture with Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, receiving initiation from Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, receiving instructions to go to preach in the West. In one Vrindavan Yatra, Prabhupada meets Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati and he tells him preach this message in the Western world. So Prabhupada's faith in the holy names, which is represented here, and this is Prabhupada's faith in his Guru Maharaj, and the books are Prabhupada's faith in the Bhagavatam. So this is the strength of ISKCON. This is the first copy of Back to Godhead magazine. So Prabhupada started this magazine alone, single-handedly. Prabhupada wrote the magazine, printed it. In fact, Prabhupada would skip his breakfast so that the magazines could get printed. And after printing, Prabhupada personally would go to the streets in Delhi and sell the magazines. And here is Prabhupada leaving for Boston in the Jaladuta. So now we are celebrating the 125th appearance of Srila Prabhupada. Government of India is recognizing the contribution of Prabhupada. The coin is being offered to Srila Prabhupada. But Prabhupada left alone. When Prabhupada is climbing this Jaladuta ship, he is alone. He climbs alone and he gets down alone. No followers. In fact, that particular Vyas Puja, we are celebrating this Vyas Puja 125th appearance all over the world. That particular Vyas Puja, Prabhupada was on the ship and no one ever knew that it was Prabhupada's birthday. Prabhupada sacrificed so much. This is Prabhupada's Matchless Gifts shop, New York. Right? That is where our ISKCON gift shop gets this name, Matchless Gift. So Prabhupada loved this name. So Prabhupada said, let's not change the title. It was already a gift shop. But Prabhupada said that let's keep that title because Krishna consciousness is the actual matchless gift. And this is establishment of ISKCON, registered 13 July 1966. And this is Prabhupada inaugurating the Krishna Balaram Mandir in Vrindavan. Prabhupada left Vrindavan to carry Vrindavan around the world. But Krishna and Balaram brought Srila Prabhupada back to Vrindavan and Prabhupada made a massive temple there. So, and here it's written, Prabhupada built a house in which the whole world can come and live. Right? So ISKCON is that house, as many people can come, they can come and stay here. So this cake is a little offering on behalf of ISKCON Goa and from Pratish and Harshada Mataji and Pradeep Chodankar Prabhu, Pranath Harshada Mataji. Actually, they told me that yesterday night they skipped their Janmashtami for this cake. So they did this entire cake, they put it in the oven, the electricity went off. 3-4 hours electricity didn't come. They slept 2:30 in the night. Today morning again they got up and made the entire cake. So they skipped their Janmashtami program to offer this to Srila Prabhupada. And I'm sure Srila Prabhupada is very pleased with this offering. So this is on behalf of ISKCON Goa for Srila Prabhupada's pleasure. Also, we would like to thank Pranath Prabhu, Pradeep Chodankar Prabhu. He's been very enthusiastic. He helped us made the Rath. Yesterday he converted the Rath into a Julan. That also he did. And we put ISKCON flags on top. Right? Because people can't locate this building. So we said, for Prabhupada's appearance, we will put the flag also. So where is Prabhuji? Yeah. So very grateful to you.
Anything more if you want, it's just tell me, I'll speak it for ISKCON.
Definitely. बस ISKCON को उंगली दिया तो पूरा हाथ मिलेंगे. So thank you very much once again. Very kind of you all that you have been with us for so long.